In primetime news this evening, court hears chilling allegations in matter involving Constable Noel Maitland and Donnelly Donaldson.
One of the bloodiest months ever, close to 150 Jamaicans murdered in September.
And security forces sharing intelligence with Turks and Caicos Islands in anti-gang fight. Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, this evening we're continuing to focus on the economy. The World Bank has maintained its projection for growth in Jamaica, and I'll have details in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer. He's here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well-respected corporate personality and financial specialist is contemplating taking over as GenSec for the Jamaica Football Federation. We'll give you all the details later.
And before the break, reminder of our feedback question. And this evening we're asking,
what do you make of the request from authorities in the Turks and Caicos Islands for Jamaica to help with gang violence in that country?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.